In the last episode I was struggling with a hairdo, but I wanted to achieve it because it creates the sort of concept of the fairy that I want, which is a contemporary view. In this episode I need to do a dress to go with the hairstyle. I'm going to start off by showing you how a single leaf is made. So basically you've got to draw the shape and then cut out the profile of that leaf. In what I'm actually using is a little, what they call a nibbler, that you can put into a drill, and it saves wrinkling all the edge up. I then file all the edges smooth and then get some wire wool to tidy it up and make it sort of nice and shiny and smooth around the edges, so there's nothing that's going to catch afterwards. And then I'm using a piece of wire to hammer in the detail or the veins in the leaf, and then a small hammer just to sort of create a sort of feathering effect to give you the sort of texture of the leaf. So the first job is to create all the leaves in preparation. So how you then attach the leaves is to drill small holes in the leaf and basically shape the leaf to fit the fairy, and then stitch it to the actual fairy's body. And then each subsequent layer of leaves cover up the wires that held the previous layer, so you end up with a dress with hardly any wires showing. I'm very fortunate that my daughter Amy has a brand called Everdeens, under which she produces copper leaves. So she's furnished me with all of the oak leaves, which I've used to create the dress. It's taken me a long time to edit this video because it was all done on time lapse, but there is so much tedious just positioning a leaf, stitching it on. I've probably removed about 99% of the actual footage, even from the time lapse. There's about 3 days work in shaping all the leaves and attaching them to the fairy. And obviously once they're on, then I've lacquered it so they don't tarnish and they retain their shiny quality. So all that's left for the final episode is to give her some wings. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see more.